Hi, my name's Barbara. Welcome to Barbara Bakes. This week I have a lovely little snack for you to make. It's called Crunchilicious because it's packed full of nuts. It's gluten-free, it can be vegan, and it's easy to bake. So grab your notebooks, your recipe books, your laptop, wherever you keep your recipes, and let's bake. I hope you enjoyed that. You can cut them into lovely little squares and put them in a bag and take them with you when you're going on trips and things. They're delicious, so I hope you enjoy making them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and put your notifications on. Don't forget my new book, Sweet Soul Baking. All the details are below, so you can pop onto Amazon and purchase that. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the book. I hope you enjoy the recipe. See you next time.